welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashton. I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. But for the returning bestie, hey girl, what's the ambitious? As y'all can tell, we cleaning my room for 20 to 25. So we're gonna go into the new year with a nasty, junky room, girl. So organized room, girl. So we're going to deep clean my closet, clean the bathroom, and deep clean my room. So basically, for the returning base, if y'all are asking what happened to my bed, so on Christmas Day, me and my family did this TikTok, girl, and my bed fell, but I got a new one coming. It's coming Friday, but hopefully it comes sooner, girl. Let's get into it. So basically, we gonna first start taking out all this Christmas stuff. I saw some folks take their Christmas stuff down right after Christmas. I'm like, girl, at least wait until like before the New Year's. But anyway, bestie, let's get into this video. Down, girl, this elf, this everything, girl. We got my bucket with like my pink, the like core stuff, girl. So let's get into it. So basically, we gonna first take this Christmas tree down, girl, and these elves, girl. So yeah. Besties, I know this might seem a little weird, girl, but I do not like touching like things like these elves, girl. I don't know why, but I do not like touching them, girl. So I got, oh my gosh, y'all. I got a bag to move this, y'all. I do not like touching these, y'all. For some reason, girl, it scares me, girl. I don't know why. So we gotta take that one down. It scares me, girl. I don't know why, y'all. It literally scares me, girl. But this one, girl, how you're liking and girl, and subscribing, girl. And I hope this video like make you feel like somewhat like productive, girl. We gonna take everything down from like this bookshelf, girl, and wipe down it because y'all can see it's like some like oil stains from like my body oil and stuff, girl. So we got to deep clean this room, girl. So we are on the floor, girl. So basically, my friend Brie, girl, she haven't got her Christmas gift yet, girl, because she is on a vacation, girl, with her family, girl. So we are gonna save her gift and put it over there because it's December 29th, girl. So basically, if you're watching this, girl, because this video should be like uploaded by today or Monday, girl, be productive, girl. And I like to do this, y'all. Like this year, girl, was like an amazing year, girl. Like everything that like I want to happen, girl. And because I went into the new year, with like a clean room, a clean mindset, girl. So let's take her. Okay, so first, basically, let's take my own stuff out, y'all. Oh, girl. Well, these are like my cute little pink pictures, girl. So we are gonna put that there. Cause that hay will get all on it. Okay, here's another one. I need to take this hay off. And then here's another one. Like this, I'm very excited because like y'all know I clean my like room like every Sunday in general, girl, but I gotta go through my like closet, girl, and really like straighten some stuff out, girl, because my closet get very junky because I can use it sometimes. It's like some like extra like storage space sometimes, girl. So yeah, y'all, I take this tree down, y'all. I'm gonna miss this tree, y'all, but I had my Christmas decor up since November the 1st, girl. So yeah, I gotta take my little cross, y'all, because God and Jesus has helped me out like a lot, girl. So y'all always gotta have, you know, a little cross and this pizza, girl. Stop playing. Anyway, girl. So now we gotta take this down, girl. So we have to take the stand. So weird, girl, like the Christmas trees are gone right now. As y'all can see, there's like a few more ornaments that we got to put up in here, girl. And I also did like bring a box, y'all, because I have so many like Christmas ornaments now, girl. These signs first, girl. So let's take this sign down first. I know I might need a chair to take that one down, girl. I think I hung that up with the chair. So let's put this down right here. More stuff up like these little tree things, you know, which was my favorite sign because it's so cute and white and it's so cute. Alright, bitches, I'm back, girl. I had to get another box and some more stuff to put some more stuff in, y'all. Put that one in there. Put another picture in there, girl. So yeah, so you got like a lot of pictures in there so far, girl. My cute stockings, girl. We probably gonna put that in there, girl. But let's finish take these Christmas lights down, girl. So yeah. Bestie, we are officially done taking all my Christmas stuff down, girl. Like, my room looks so bare, girl, but we're gonna put some of like the Christmas stuff in the closet, girl, like the trees and the boxes and stuff, girl. And then once we come back in, we gon' start with, okay, plus what should we start with first, girl? My room looks so just plain, girl. Like, oh my gosh, but girl, all the Christmas stuff is up, girl. Like, all that I gotta do is this is like a Christmas sort of like raiment food thing. Like, I'm gonna put that in my kitchen, and then the last thing I gotta take down is put the Christmas pillow in our jacket closet, girl. And that's about our girl. So now we're finna deep clean our nightstand first, and like work our way up, girl. And then last we gotta sweep them up, girl. So yeah. So basically, the first thing we're gonna do, let's take everything off this dresser. Like, it's all like white and stuff, girl. Do not use bleach, girl. I did that one time and take off the paint, girl. So what I get a hot rag and like some Dawn. Basically, that's how it looks so far, girl. The nightstand is clean, girl. That is just a little like permanent stain, girl, so it doesn't come off, girl. But other than that, girl, it's clean and that is clean, girl. So I'm gonna do like one more like clean, girl, like some little like curls and stuff, girl. So we're gonna clean it one more time, girl. And then yeah, girl, we want this to be clean. Is so clean and period, bestie. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Bestie, now it's time for the second drawer. Now the second drawer, I keep like a lot of tech stuff like microphones, screen protector cases, chargers, cables, type C, all that stuff. First, we're gonna take all my kids out. I'm back, girl. We got some cleaning stuff, girl. That's just clean in here, girl. So let's spray that first and actually just get it a little clean, girl. So yes. Okay, basically, I'm back, girl. The quality might looks a little better, y'all. My content phone, which is my 13 Pro, y'all know I film my vlogs and my driving with me videos, girl. This, I don't know if it said overheated or it said your iPhone storage is full, girl. That's why I'm so glad I got this phone in like the 200, no, in the 512 like gigabytes, y'all. This is only 128, and it's all out of storage, girl. I'm not surprised, girl, but hey, it's okay. And it's kind of hot too. So now we're on my main phone, my 15 Pro Max, y'all. So the camera might be a little bit. It's gonna take kind of like a lot of time, girl. I know I have a lot of perfumes and stuff, girl. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna start off up here, girl. So let's get into it. So first off, we're gonna take all my bags down, because that's gonna be the easiest, and put it down on my bed. Okay. It's not really dusty up there, I don't think. Oh, it's like a little. Then my room spray and my key that I got from Bath & Body. I don't want to like lose my key, so I'm gonna put that back there. And then we're gonna put my candles, y'all. You know I love my candles, but I've been really getting into my candles. Y'all know my favorite candle is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Egg Night candle. It smells so good. Basically, I cannot wait to like light this, girl. I'm probably not gonna light this until like January. It's like next month, girl. Like, I'm just vibing and chilling, girl. But this candle smells so amazing, girl. It smells so good, girl. So amazing. And this candle is like a versatile candle. It's my vanilla bean candle, girl. It smells so good. It smells like vanillas and marshmallows, girl. So yeah. Now, we're gonna start out with here first, girl, so let's get into it. Back, girl, so my tripod, my big tripod broke. I bought a new one, girl, it's not gonna be here until Friday. Praying to come sooner, so y'all know when I got my new phone, I bought this little stick it grip thing, and it's on my mirror right now, girl. It comes so in handy, girl, so I'm glad I invested in that, girl. So now, I get my rag. Basically, the first part is cleaning off. Part is clean, girl. Now we gotta take all these body sprays now, girl. Which y'all pray for me. Y'all know I have a lot of body sprays, girl. So we need to make room on my bed, girl. So let's get into it. And basically, we got to take all these body sprays down, girl, and then we gonna take the books down and move this stuff. Basically, look at all that y'all's tons of like dirt and ground. I am giving that book away and some stuff away, girl. So yeah, but now I'm trying to move this out the way and sweep some, girl. So yeah. Basically, it's finally clean in that little section, girl. The white stuff that is paint stains from when they painted this house, girl. So yeah, girl. But now it's time to. I'm gonna let that dry just a little bit, girl. And while that's drying, girl, we gonna start opening these closet ups, girl. And we're gonna declutter all of my clothes. So first of all, once I put this stuff back on my bookshelf and stuff, girl, then we'll take some of these clothes out, girl, and declutter and just go through like some stuff and see like some like stuff I don't want. Cause I did that like the first of this year, girl. I got like rid of like some clothes and shirts that like I didn't use and made room for some more stuff. And now we're gonna do the same if there's some stuff I don't wear, girl. So yeah. This is I'm back, girl. We got my little like Swiffer, girl. So let's get into it. Mop this stuff up, y'all. So productive, girl, y'all. Like we have got so much done, girl, and I don't know what time is it, girl. So let's check and see what time is it. It is going 12 o'clock, girls. Put the rug down, y'all. The rug is starting to get a little dirty. I like to change like my like rugs at least like every year, girl. I got this January of 2024, girl. So I'm probably about another one next month, girl. But I got like it's still white and like that's the only part that's gonna be showing, girl. Anyway, girl. So yeah. So now I'm trying to move this bookshelf back, girl. So yeah. Pink decor back out, y'all, which how I miss y'all. She have been up since like October, so she been up for a good little 2 months, girl. I don't know. I got these pink plants. I got one extra, which I don't know where I'm gonna put in that at, girl. I'll find a spot for that later, because since I haven't had like my room up in like since September, girl, I don't remember how everything goes. But right here, y'all, I'm gonna keep like my candles on this side, y'all, which my candle is starting to grow, so this full thing might just turn into like a candle in my room space, girl. But yeah, girl, so now I gotta put my perfume and stuff back right here, girl. So yeah. Look, girl, we are done. It looks so clean. Like, oh my gosh. Like, my pink flowers are back out, girl. It just, I just love it down, girl. The perfume shelf is clean. All my perfumes are back on there, girl. Now we gotta do this shelf, girl. So, yeah. Besties, I put my books under there, girl. And I had that extra perfume shelf. And I got my pink, like, notebook in my book that I'm currently reading. And, like, my iPad just, like, It doesn't make it like look so cute, girl. And my bookshelves are down there, girl. So yeah. So basically now it's time for this closet clean out, girl. Everything is off my bed now, but like majority of the stuff. So now I need to deep clean my closet. Here is all the clothes laid out. That is my 16th birthday like outfit, girl. And as I was taking some clothes out, I saw some clothes that like I'm like give away to my cousin. Like me and my cousin wear like the same size, girl. So let's get into this. Let's move this stuff. We got my pool summer bag with some clothes that's staying in there. You take my roller thingy out, which I had like all of my like bracelets and stuff like that. These shoes and stuff like this shoe rack, y'all. My like Swiffer girl, and I was trying to clean this closet, girl. Besties, I'm back, girl. We done did my bookshelf, and I'm gonna hang them bags up in my closet with the thumbtack, girl. Now it's time to put this shoe rack back, girl, and I'm gonna move y'all over. So I'm gonna put these shoes up in here, girl. That's why it calls her to freaking organize, girl, because I was gonna buy another shoe rack, girl, because I was like, my shoes don't like doesn't fit, girl. But look at this, girl, it's so cute. Like, period. Because now all I gotta do is put these clothes up. I'm gonna sort through the clothes now, girl. So yeah, we're gonna do color, girl. So I think I'm gonna do color coordinate. So let's get all of my pink shirts. So this was my birthday outfit for my 16th birthday. I could still wear this when I go out, girl, which I like about like certain like outfits, girl. So yeah, trying to get all my pink stuff. Okay. My phone was not on, girl, but I did take out like all my clothes and like cleaned it down. Same thing with my like lotions and too, girl, but I just forgot to record it, girl. So the last thing we got to do, girl, is really just mop our floors, girl, and do our vanity desk, and that's about it. And put our regular pictures back up, girl. So we're gonna move all of this stuff out the way, girl. Bestie, it is fine to clean, girl. Now all we got to do is put the stuff back on here, girl, and wipe our dresser down and sweep and mop, girl, and we'll be totally done, girl. And then I'm gonna clean like the bathroom off camera because I don't like want this like video too long, girl. So yeah, besties, oh my gosh, girl, look, like the roof is finally done. Oh my gosh, like girl, this setup came together so like perfume tray, but I got my pink tripod and my pink notebook, y'all, because you know I love pink, girl. So oh my gosh, girl, bestie, we are done, girl. I did clean the ice maker and clean my like bathroom, girl. So now I'm going to mop my floor, girl, and shower, girl. But besties, I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the way exactly, so you'll be notified every time your girl post a new video. And girl, I love you so much, bestie. Video like inspired like you start cleaning, girl. But bestie, I love you so much, girl. And until next time, bestie, bye, bestie.